it begins. Hello everybody and welcome to Plan with Ivy. My name is Ivy and today I'm going to be giving you guys a sneak peek in all the kits I will be using for December. I did a similar video for this for November and I wanted to do another one because I'm so excited about all the kits I'm going to be using and I want to give you guys a great sneak peek of what I will be doing. And so Christmas is coming, and so for this December I've decided to do a full-on Christmas month, so I will be using all Christmas kits for the most part. So I'm so excited about that because Christmas is bae. I have a lot of Christmas content that I have coming up soon, and so I'm very excited to share that with you guys. And so my mood is being hyped up right now because of all the Christmas stuff I have and like all the stuff I'm going to be doing to my room, and just it's gonna be so exciting. And yes, so if you can't tell, I'm very excited for Christmas this year. And so like every year, like tips every year, so like sometimes I'm very excited for Christmas, sometimes I'm not. This year I'm very excited for Christmas, so you're going to be getting a lot of Christmas content, and I can talk about all of that kind of other stuff in like one of these plan with me's, but for now I will just talk about the planner kits that I will be using throughout December. So first we'll be starting with Holly from Whimsical Plans. I just actually got this in the mail. Whimsical Plans takes a few weeks to ship, but it's totally worth it because her kits are amazing. And if you guys have been on this channel for a while, you know that I love Whimsical Plans with all my heart, so it's worth the wait. So this is the Holly kit from Whimsical Plans. I've seen a lot of people use this clip art, but I didn't love it as much as when she did. So these are the full boxes. Then we have her functional sheet with some flags, half boxes, work labels, deco stickers, labels, and other stuff. Then another functional sheet with icons, checklists, and sidebar stickers, little things, headers, half boxes, and quarter boxes, the washi, which is gorgeous, date covers, and some little strips of washi, along with the glitter sampler. And these colors are so beautiful. If you know me, you know I love muted tones, and this totally fits into that vibe, so I'm so excited to use this kit for the first week of December. So for the second week in December, I will be doing a no Etsy kit week using these leftover stickers from multiple Christmas spreads that I've done in the past. If you didn't check out my last video, then you don't know this, but for those who are new, I've decided to do a no Etsy kit spread every month from now on, just so I can get rid of my leftover stickers, because I have like a full drawer of leftover stickers and I need to get rid of them. So I'm deciding to do a no Etsy kit spread every single month so I do get rid of them. And so this is the one for this month. I technically have two, but you'll see later. But this one is just like full on Christmas theme, so I have like pinks and reds and blues. I think this kit was from It's Planning Time. This is from a Frank Hearts You kit. It's Planning Time. This is from a Michael sticker book, so like check boxes, stuff like that. Another Michael sticker book. This is gonna be like the full box I put on the Thankful Thought area. Some like red and green half boxes that I can use if I want to. Some more red and green half boxes. Some more functional stickers. A full winter bucket list sheet that's filled with a whole bunch of Christmas stuff. Some more Christmassy colors. And to go along with this, I will be using my entire collection of Christmas character stickers. And like during this Black Friday, I was thinking about like going for the other Christmas stickers that some shops were selling, and then I realized, Ivy, you have way too many Christmas stickers to try to buy more. Like I have so many Christmas stickers I haven't used it. Look at these Grinch stickers. Look at them. They're like Grinch cat stickers. They're the closest thing. Actually, no, I actually do have Grinch stickers. This is how obsessed I am with Christmas stickers. So I have a lot of them, and so I can use these perfectly well. Use these for Christmas this year, and so I will be using a lot of these as deco for this spread. Some Christmas bucket list stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. So cute. Look at this fox and cactus sheet. It's so cute. Like this was me back in October, because I'm not obsessed with like Halloween in October, because I'm not into like super scary and like horror stuff, so I don't like Halloween as much. I never liked it since I was a kid because I didn't do anything really special for it. So basically in October I started listening to Christmas music so I can block out all the scary stuff. So this has been me since October, but now it's appropriate for me to be like this. Yeah, Rose, I'm looking at you. If you're watching this, I'm looking at you for judging me about it. So I have a whole bunch of Christmas stickers I'm ready to use. See, I do have Christmas Grinch stickers. Grinch is my favorite holiday movie of all time. Tell me what your guys' favorite holiday movie is down below. For me, it has to be The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. Also, me and my parents love watching Miracle on 134th Street every single year, the newer version. And so those are like my top 2 Christmas movies. If you have some Christmas movie recommendations that I should look at, tell me in a comment down below. Yes, I'm already looking at all the Christmas movies that are on Netflix. Christmas Prince, Royal Wedding. Who is ready for that? Because I love Rose McIver, so I'm so excited to see this next movie. So Christmas Prince, I'm all over that. But any other recommendations I would love to hear. And so just I have a lot of Christmas stickers, just a lot of Christmas stickers. So I will be well covered for this spread. So this is for the 2nd week of December. For the 3rd week of December, we're going to be revisiting a shop that I haven't used in actually a very, very long time. Scribble Prints Co., which is basically like one of the shops that actually got me into sticker planning. So I'm surprised I haven't used a kit from hers in a very long time, but I'm so excited to be doing that now. And so this is the Sugar Plums kit that I will be using for this year, and I just love the clip art for this kit and like the colors. It's just so cute because it's just like so pink and glam, and that's kind of the theme I'm going for within my room this year. A little sneak peek to some other content that I have coming up. And so this is basically what I base my room around, especially like this little nutcracker globe thing. Love it. So here are the full boxes. Here are some deco and functional stickers. Then we have some more functional stickers, some icons, stuff like that. Headers, little things, quarter boxes and half boxes, washi and date covers. So I think this week is going to look so cute in my planner, and this is a mini kit version of a Scribble Prints Co. kit. As you guys know, I'm a white space planner, so I don't need a whole full kit of stickers, so I'm totally good with what I have right here, and so very excited to use these for the 3rd week in December. Seriously, this color palette is so cute. Who loves like pink Christmas things? I just love pink Christmas things, so I'm so excited to be doing a spread that is inspired by that. Oh, and I forgot, here is the glitter headers for that week. They came separately from the kit, so here are the glitter headers for that. And for the 4th week of December, this is going to be the final Christmas spread that I'm going to be doing, and it's going to be this modern Christmas kit from Whimsical Plans, which actually will be for the week of Christmas. I chose to do this one for Christmas just because it's the only Christmas kit that I do have that says Merry Christmas in it, so this one by default for the week of Christmas. And it's so cute. I love the modern Christmas feel. Like, that's what I'm kind of going for in my room this year, like modern Christmas mixed with like pink glam. So it has very muted tones, which we all know I love. And so here is like the full box sheet, deco. Look at these girls getting ready for Christmas. I feel you, girls. I feel you. Functional stickers, half boxes, quarter boxes, and big headers and little things. Washi. Look at that washi. That is tree goals right there. And then the little sampler that comes with it, and also the glitter headers for this. So this is so cute. Can't wait to use this for Christmas week. Christmas is like 30 days away at this point, I believe. So excited. And the final kit I will be using for December this year isn't actually like a Christmas kit, but that's because Christmas will have ended by the modern Christmas week. So I'm going into New Year's Eve mode with black and gold. Black and gold, gorgeous. I have a lot of black and gold stickers left over from Michael's stuff, so this is going to be another No Etsy kit spread using just black and gold Michael stickers. And then I'm going to be bringing in character stickers because I don't know if I can survive. Actually, I may make this a No Etsy kit, may make this a No Etsy sticker challenge. What you guys think about that for like this week? I'll think about it, but tell me what you guys want me to do in a comment down below. I will totally do one if you guys want me to, but all this stuff was purchased in Michael's, so it within the parameters, and I got a whole bunch of black and gold that I could work with here. Look at all this stuff. It's so cute. I love these little full box things. I've seen Stick With Me shop. She takes Michael's washi and puts it around the edge and then puts this in the middle, so it makes a full box. And I've been doing that for these, and it works really, really well. And it's just, I just got so much to work with here, so it's so cute. So excited to plan it this week. Look at that full box. That full box is gorgeous. And then I also have this leftover Scribble Prints Co. sheet that has a few black stuff on it, black things on it, so I can use that for that. These few sheets of black Michael stickers that can go well because I got a lot of gold going on, so I can feel free to bring in the black if I want. And then I also have this other sheet of black and gold stickers, so it'll work out fine. And this Happy New Year to You sticker that I can put in the Thankful Thought area, and a whole bunch of other like Happy New Year things. things. So I am prepared for this week. I think it's going to turn out so cute, and I'm going to try to do some little doodles around the page because like the Happy New Year's things are really easy to draw. Like party blower is basically like a triangle, circle, and like fireworks, just like a whole bunch of lines. So I think it will be really easy to do some doodles for this week. If you guys want me to make a video on the doodles I'm going to try to do for this week, tell me in a comment down below. I would love to do that for you guys. And yeah, this is going to be the last kit that I will be using this year. December is the end of the year. This is going to be the last kit I'm going to be using in 2018. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me in a comment down below which spread you're most excited for. I have to say Sugar Plums is definitely like highest on my list right now just because I'm so in love with this colors right now. So very excited to use this kit, but all these Christmas and New Year's Eve kits are giving me all the feels. I'm so excited to use all these. Tell me what kits you're using down below. I would love to follow you guys on Instagram just to see what you guys are doing with your kits. And so December is coming, and then we will be starting a whole new year. 2019 is here. 2019 is coming soon. I hope that I can stick with the New Year's resolutions that I have in place for it, but that is to be determined. So that has been my sneak peek for December kits. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!